The 1970 Plymouth Cuda is a true gem in the automotive world, one that is not only a symbol of the golden age of muscle cars but also a piece of history that continues to captivate car enthusiasts and collectors. One particular 1970 Plymouth Cuda stands out as a unique example, blending power, style, and rarity in ways that few other muscle cars can match. This specific model boasts a 426 Hemi engine, the heart and soul of Chrysler's muscle car legacy, and a one-of-a-kind configuration that makes it an exceptionally rare find. In 1970, Plymouth introduced the third generation of its Barracuda, a car that had originally set the stage for the pony car revolution. By this time, the Barracuda had undergone a major transformation, evolving into the Cuda, a more aggressive and performance-oriented vehicle. What made the 1970 Cuda truly remarkable was its ability to house the legendary 426 Hemi engine, which had previously only been available in larger, more powerful vehicles. The 426 Hemi, often referred to as one of the most iconic engines ever produced, was a race-ready powerhouse. Its massive 7-liter capacity and hemispherical cylinder heads were designed to dominate on the track, providing an immense 425 horsepower and 490 lb-ft of torque. When installed in the Barracuda, it turned the Cuda into a road-going race car, capable of reaching speeds that left other muscle cars in the dust. What makes this particular 1970 Plymouth Cuda even more special is its one-of-a-kind configuration. While many Cudas were equipped with the 426 Hemi, this one was ordered with the A32 Super Performance axle package, making it a true powerhouse on both the drag strip and the streets. The 4.10 Sure Grip rear axle and a luggage rack over the deck lid gave this Cuda both performance and practicality, allowing for a high-speed run while still having the ability to carry some gear. To top it off, this Cuda was painted in a striking bright red color, both inside and out, ensuring that it stood out wherever it went. The car's bold appearance was further highlighted by the red shaker hood scoop, which added to the car's aggressive look and enhanced its performance. This Cuda was made to be noticed, and its color scheme certainly ensured that. The car is a true time capsule, with just 6,602 miles on the odometer, though the dealership notes that the actual mileage may be difficult to verify. However, what makes this Cuda even more desirable is its condition. After undergoing a frame-off restoration, it looks even better than it did when it first left the factory. The car has been meticulously restored to its original glory, with its original drivetrain, including the 426 Hemi V8 engine, the 3-speed TorqueFlite automatic transmission, and the 4.10 rear end still intact. This level of preservation makes this Cuda a collector's dream. This car's rarity is further solidified by a Galen-Govier inspection, which rated it with condition number 1 and number 2 notes, meaning it's among the finest examples of the 1970 Plymouth Cuda still in existence. According to the dealership, this car is the only one known to exist in this configuration, red on red with a red shaker hood scoop, the 426 Hemi engine, automatic transmission, and the 4.10 rear axle with a luggage rack. While the asking price for this exceptional car is undisclosed, it's clear that it will fetch a premium price. Given its rarity, condition, and the pedigree of the 426 Hemi engine, it is likely to be priced well above $250,000. For any serious muscle car collector, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own a piece of history, and it's safe to say that this Cuda won't be sitting in the showroom for long. If you're looking for the perfect muscle car that combines power, beauty, and rarity, look no further than this one of 1970 Plymouth Cuda. It's the perfect gem for anyone who appreciates the golden age of American muscle cars, and with only 6,602 miles on the clock, it's a car that's ready to be driven or displayed as a crown jewel in any collection.